In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set signing order in DocuSign, so your documents are signed in the correct sequence every single time. This is incredibly important when you need one person to sign before another, like a manager approving before an employee, or a client signing before a counterparty. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can set this up properly inside a DocuSign template. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy DocuSign tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, you'll see the main home area where you can send envelopes and manage documents. To set a signing order properly, we're going to use a template. So from the top navigation menu, click on Templates. This is where you can create and manage reusable document setups. Inside the template section, click on Create Template. This allows you to build a template that includes your document, recipients, signing roles, and signing order. Now you'll need to give your template a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. After naming your template, click on Upload, then select Desktop to upload your document from your computer. Choose the file you want to use and let it upload into DocuSign. Once your document is uploaded, scroll down to the Recipient section. This is the most important part when it comes to setting signing order. Add your first recipient by entering their name and email address. Then click Add Recipient to include a second signer. Now here's where the signing order happens. You'll notice a number next to each recipient. By default, DocuSign may assign them both as 1, which means they'll receive the document at the same time. If you want one person to sign before the other, change the order numbers. Set the first signer as 1 and the second signer as 2. This tells DocuSign to send the document to recipient number 1 first. Only after they complete signing will it automatically move to recipient number 2. That's how you control the signing sequence. After setting the recipient order, click on Add Message. Here you can include a subject line and a short message explaining what the document is and what you need them to do. This helps recipients understand the context before signing. Once your message is ready, click Next, Add Fields. Now you'll be taken to the document editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see different field options like signature, date signed, text, and more. Make sure the correct recipient is selected at the top before placing fields. Drag and drop the signature field onto the document where you want the first signer to sign. Then switch the recipient drop-down to the second signer and drag and drop their signature field into the appropriate place. This step is crucial. Each signature field must be assigned to the correct recipient, otherwise the signed order won't function as expected. Double-check that the first signer's fields are assigned to recipient 1 and the second signer's fields are assigned to recipient 2. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close to finish your template setup. Now, whenever you use this template to send a document, DocuSign will automatically follow the signing order you configured. The first signer will receive the email notification. After they complete their part, the second signer will automatically receive their notification. And that's it. That's exactly how you set signing order in DocuSign using templates. It's a simple but powerful feature that keeps your document workflow organized and professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step DocuSign guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.